Hi guys, and welcome to Hannah's Hot Glam. Today we are just going to be learning how to get this kind of just dewy, healthy, glowy foundation. I guess this is like my foundation routine. This is my everyday complexion routine, and I hope you guys like it, and make sure to like and subscribe this video, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so I already have like my eyes done because I really wanted this just to be like a foundation routine. So for my eyes, I just took my Kylie bronze palette and just put like a couple shades through the crease just to like give some depth. And then I just went ahead and used my Kat Von D tattoo liner to put some cat eye liner on. And I used my eyeliner definition 126 lashes, which are my favorite drugstore lashes. So today we're really just going to focus on like the base to our makeup, and I'm sorry if you can hear my dog barking. She's freaking out outside. But I know that like your makeup is only as good as like your complexion makeup, and my dog's barking. So for starters, I just use my Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade Nude Glow. It comes in like a huge tub, but I got this little size for my birthday gift from Sephora. So as you can see, we're already glowing. Alright, and next I just like spray my Colourpop Rose Quartz. This is the Dewy priming spray. The amethyst one's the matte priming spray. Spray that on top, let that kind of soak in to my skin, and then I go in with my Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and this stuff is super hydrating, and I have normal to dry skin, so I love being hydrated. And now I'm just going to go in with foundation, and my favorite foundation of all time is one that's pretty pricey, so I'm using my second favorite foundation of all time, and it is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade 300. And just give it a nice shake, and I just use a beauty blender with it. I know you can use a brush if you want, but I just think the beauty blender puts it on a lot more dewy. This foundation is really good, and let me tell you, this foundation is so nice. Now I know I'm looking a little yellow, but I promise it'll get better. Now I'm gonna go into my favorite concealer. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium Dark Neutral. This has slowly but surely become my favorite concealer. Like, it is full coverage, so if you're someone who does not like full coverage at all, you will probably not like this. You might like their Naked Skin concealer, but you will not like the All Nighter. It's just so nice, and it just goes on so smooth. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder to set my under eyes and my whole face. I absolutely love this setting powder. It does give you like a luminous, like it does have luminosity to it, so if you're someone who likes a more matte finish, this is probably not going to be the setting powder for you. And the lighting is so bad today. Like, my face looks yellow. Now I'm going to bronze with my favorite bronzer. This is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Bronzer in the shade 04 Deep. This packaging and like the bronzer itself, oops, is so pretty. And I don't know why it looks so orange. Maybe this will help. So I just take it on a huge fluffy brush, and I just bronze wherever I want to look really sun-kissed, like my cheeks. You can also use this as contour, and then I take it on my forehead, my nose, chin, my neck. This helps. This helped make me look a little bit less yellow. And I find that doing bronzer with a huge fluffy brush really helps. every situation. And now I'm just going to contour with my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette and just like an angled, nice angled brush. And I'm going to take 2 dips into the middle and 1 dip into the dark and just contour. And this palette is so versatile, like literally every single skin tone can use this. And I'm just going to contour on the sides of my forehead, a little bit in like the middle top, my cheekbones, and then take any excess powder and just put it down my nose, each side of my nose. And next is going to be blush, and I'm just going to take my favorite blush. This is the Too Faced Your Love Is King blush. I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. And then on top of that, just to give us some more like luminosity, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Golden Sands Edition face palette, and I'm going to take the shade Zanzibar, which is this kind of like shimmery blush, and just put that on top. It's kind of like a blush topper, and it has some shimmer in it. And then I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm going to take my Kylie Cosmetics Ultra Glow in the shade Fiji. This is my favorite highlighter. I love this highlighter with an enormous passion. It's so good. See, now my skin looks, I look normal. I don't know why the light was playing me like that, but like, oh my goodness, that highlight is so good. A little bit, but this is so pretty. Like, Kylie's Ultra Glows are so pretty, and they're only like $14. Like, they're not bad at all for price. I'm just gonna take my nose, just a little bit above my brows, chin, Cupid's bow, and then I'm also going to take brush, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners just to open up the eyes a little bit, and my brow bone. And I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow and pop this on my lips. And last but not least, I'm going to take my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and set my face with this. And there we go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two on how to get kind of like a dewy, glowy, luminous foundation complexion. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I'm so glad that you guys are here. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment down below too, and I will see you guys within the next couple of days. And oh, don't forget to follow me at HannahsHawtGlam on Instagram and at HannahsHawtGlam on Twitter. And I also have a Depop, and I sell some things, and that's also just at HannahsHawtGlam. So thank you guys so much. Bye.